Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Trucks Deluxe in Chichester, New Hampshire, we have their 2018 twin turbo GT350. Oh yes, capable of producing over 1,000 wheel horsepower. This thing is just, oh. Let's go for a drive. R888Rs on the back. This is Derek. He's gonna go into depth about the build if you want.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, so this car is a 2018 GT350, as you heard. It is a twin turbo with a comp oilless setup on it. It makes 1,008 to the wheel on 93 pump gas, and it's ready to rock.
Oh, that would have been terrible if I stalled on video. Like we were talking about, the one thing GT350s have is the sound. It is so iconic.
Yeah, it really is. And the handling on these cars is unbelievable.
Oh, absolutely.
And one of the biggest things is you ask, and I hear it all the time, is this car daily drivable?
I 100% agree.
And
even in its current setup, it's 100% dailyable.
You have full control over your boost. How much boost you want this car to have. It's on a full electronic boost leash setup. You have an end gauge that's going to read all your different temperatures and all your important information, obviously, on a twin turbo build. But this car is fully daily drivable. There's nothing stopping you from getting in and just driving this car. And the turbo spools obviously just is a whole nother level of sound.
Absolutely. I mean, in the price point too, you have 1,000 wheel horsepower car for mid-50s.
Exactly. Yeah, 54,999 for 1,008 wheel horsepower.
For a 15,000 mile clean Carfax GT350, even bone stock, that's a good deal.
What was this car brand new? It had to be
65 at least.
Back in 2018, which now a GT500 is $100,000.
Exactly. And you can't get a GT500 in a stick.
Nope.
This was back when all of Ford's performance cars were stick only. The Focus ST, the Fiesta ST.
Yep.
I love the Tremec too.
Yeah, this car is very, very well put together.
It's awesome. Rev match downshifts are so fun when you have sounds like that.
The nice thing about this car, obviously, is you have the full electronic exhaust modes. I mean, you never know this car is...
No, and it's not even droney as it sits either. And it's got, you said it's track package, so obviously it has those. The cooled seats, so it doesn't have the full Recaros.
Full heated, cooled seats. Hook up your phone, listen to some audio, and listen to some turbos. That's about it.
Exactly, that's all you need. Do not stall. Come on. There we go. Eco-friendly.
That's it.
Oh man. Derek, thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
This is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.